roundabout, second exit.
Goodness me.
Yeah, very experienced and
Go
don't
right
trust
on
it.
the roundabout,
That could happen.
second
Yeah,
exit,
and I think you
then
need to be rational
turn
because there's
left.
no, everything has a counter argument, like you say. But then you
Game's like real quick to get into to sort of play it.
Is it people like grip alone though? I know
Yeah, but it's easy to play. You
Yeah.
can just pick up and put it down whenever you want,
Yeah.
and I enjoy the ball.
Yeah. True.
Characters on TV show.
That's
one.
Yeah, do you?
People have.
I like watching
Go
it.
right
I
on the
like this
roundabout,
episode. I thought there
second
was
exit.
a lot of
And then another thing happened. More Fortnite. And then the store happened. And Fortnite.
Had a couple of
First
years go
exit,
by in between,
Temple Street.
like, oh, all the friends are going out to watch a movie on a Tuesday, and every time I walk out, I always go never again. And then that never again introduction of Ant-Man, who turns out to
Go
be
right on
super
the roundabout,
important.
Very important.
second exit,
So that's a silly
Rock
place to
Road,
take a break.
then
And second,
turn right,
nothing in the
Ashton
last
Way.
half of the movie.
B3116, Bath Road.